Hi children, today exercise 3 point, exercise 7.3 third main, replace box in each of the following by the correct number. Okay, see here, first this correct number you have to replace it, that box. Okay, first one, see here, a question, 2 by 7 is equal to 8 by box. Here you multiply 4, 8 comes. Yes, so you have to multiply denominator also 4. Method you have to remember. Okay, same number you have to multiply numerator and denominator. Yes, this numerator multiplication number you have to find out first. After you have to multiply same number denominator. 7 into 4, 28. 28 is this box answer. Understand? Denominator answer. Next, B. 5 by 8 equal to 10 divided by box. Yes. See here children, 5 and 10 is there. Here you multiply 2, 10 comes. Here also, denominator also you have to multiply 2. 8 2s are 16. Understand? Next, C question. C. 3 by 5 equal to box divided by, here they given denominator answer, so you have to find the numerator. Here you multiply 4, 20 comes, so here also you multiply 4. 3 4s are 12. Understand? Remaining 2 problems are there, you have to solve. Here you cancellation, dividing number you have to take. Understand? D and C dividing and A, B, C are multiplication. Yes? Okay. Next, fourth one. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having the given denominator, numerator. Okay. Third main. Fourth main. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator, first one denominator 20. First 8 1, the given fraction 3 by 5 and denominator 20. Yes, here box 3 4s are 20, so here also we multiply 4, 12 comes. Understand? One numerator I explain. B. 3 by 5 equal to numerator they given 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 box answer 15. 3 5s are 15. Understand? Okay. Remaining denominator and numerator you only solve like this. Okay. Fifth main. See here. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 divided by 48 with numerator 9. See here. A question, 36 divided by 48 equal to numerator they given numerator 4. So here not given. Here you divided by 4. 4 9s are 36. Yes, here also you divided 4. 4 12s are 48. Understand? Here dividing number you have to take same number. 4 9s are 36. 4 12s are 48. Understand? See here B answer. B's question. They given denominator 4. Yes, 36 divided by 48 equal to 4 answer. Sorry, 4 they given denominator 4. Yes, divided by 12. 12 4s are 48. So you have to same number you have to take numerator. 12 3s are 36. Understand? 48 12 4s are 48. 12 3s are 36. 12 you have to take. Here 4 you have to take. 4 12s are 48. 4 9s are 36. Understand? Fifth main completed. Next one, sixth main. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Two methods you have to apply. One cross multiplication, one cancellation. Yes, simplest form you have to. One is simplest form already. Remaining one fraction you have to simplest form you have to take. Yes, that answer is equivalent to this fraction. They both are equivalent fraction. One method you have to apply, otherwise two methods are there. Yes, cross multiplication and one simplest form. Yes, apply and solve. This is homework. Okay, sixth main. Next, reduce the following fractions to simplest form. Very easy questions. Already I solved previous classes. So you have to make this one A, B, C, D, E. Okay, reduce the fractions to simplest form. Very easy. Solve these problems. Next, match the eighth one. Match the equivalent fractions and write to more for each. See here, 250 divided by 400. This 8th and 9th I solved tomorrow. Okay, thank you.